This is the idiot that attacked me. This is the fool that attacked me. That's the idiot that attacked me. That's the fool.
No, sit down now. They have not finished.
I'm going, don't touch me. I'm warning you, don't touch me. I'm warning you, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Why is it that these people... Sit down. This guy, are you the only DSS here? Huh?
Mad people. You don't know law. Show me where he says you can wear my right one like this. Show me the law. Show me the law. Show me the law. You don't know law. They are promoting you. You're writing rubbish. Show me the law. Unaddressed affidavit. You say you wait. Are you doing your job for them? God will punish you now and forever. Criminals. Any judgment, let it be on record. Any judgment in this court is rubbish. Ask him where is the law. Ask for what show. Where is the law? Where is the law? Let's go. Let's go from there. I think it's a shrine of injustice. Not to quarrel and deal with the Fulani headsmen in quarrel. That's the most important thing.
All the lawyers are Yoruba people. I don't even know if the Igbos and Yorubas are at war. Lawyers, judges, Yorubas. I don't even know if we're at war with each other. I'm so disappointed that our Yoruba brothers can engage in this. It's good we say it. From the Chief Justice, from the Attorney General, from DSS, from lawyers, judges, they are all Yorubas.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was sent to life imprisonment by the Yoruba Court of Nigeria. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was asking Justice Omotosho to show him the law that he is using to sentence him. Show him the law that warrants the judgment that you want to pass. He didn't kill anybody. He did not carry AK-47. But the federal government of Nigeria charged Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with terrorism charges. As Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was demanding for Judge Omotosho to show him the law, Judge Omotosho told those DSS officers to take Mazi Nnamdi Kanu out from the courtroom. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was outside the courtroom when Judge Omotosho sentenced him to life imprisonment. The reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was sent to prison is simply because he have refused to give up on the agitation for Igbo to leave Nigeria. Nigeria is the highest producer of oil and gas in Africa. And Igbo land is a major producer of crude oil and gas. In Okwanela, we have enough crude oil and gas. In Anambra, we have it. In Imo State, we have it. In Abia State, we have it. In Enugu, we have it. In Abuja State, we have it. All over Igbo land is crude oil. In River State, Ikwere, Oba, Ekpeye, we have it there. So, for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be agitating for Igbo to leave Nigeria, that means Nigeria is going to sink. And for Nigeria not to sink, the federal government of Nigeria sent Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to prison so that he won't be agitating for Igbo to leave Nigeria. So, they are not they send Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they go prison, say he kill person or that. No. They know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not kill anybody. They know that all those charges that they labeled against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu are all lies. Which weapon Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't carry before? Say he just, they broadcast. They tell Ndibo, be careful. Ndibo, stop doing this, stop doing that. That is the only crime that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu committed. So, the reason why these people sent Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to prison is because of the resources in Igbo land. It's because of the resources in the South. How many bandits and terrorists where they northern Nigeria they don't send go prison? The federal government of Nigeria is negotiating with bandits and terrorists in the north. Federal government they negotiate with bandits. state government they negotiate with bandits. Bandits that are killing people, slaughtering people every day in the north. Christians are dying every day in the north. All over Nigeria, people are dying. But instead, the Fulani people that are committing all these crimes, none of them have been sentenced to life in prison. None of them have been caught. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that have never carried gun, that have never killed anyone, was accused of terrorism and sent to life imprisonment. The Chief Justice that sent Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to life in prison is a Yoruba person. The Attorney General is a Yoruba person. The lawyers are Yoruba people. DSS are Yoruba people. Yoruba people just succeeded in sentencing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to prison. Buhari arrested Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He didn't send Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to jail. Instead, Northerners kept Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be going to court. But during this Tinubu administration, Tinubu government sent Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to prison. You think say Northerners don't know what they do? They know what they do. They just they push Yoruba people to they deepen the hatred between Igbo and Yoruba. And they succeeded. All through the tenure of Buhari, he not sentenced Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to prison. Yoruba man enter, he put Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for prison. After Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was sentenced to prison, so many Yoruba people started jubilating. All their comments on social media, they are just happy, saying that yes, the federal government did well, justice is finally served. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the terrorists, have been sent to prison. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the reason why there is unrest in Nigeria. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu this, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that. They were saying all kind of things, and I was like, wow. The most dangerous thing you can do as an Igbo man is to be agitating on behalf of Yoruba people. If you are a black person and you are agitating for Yoruba people to be free from marginalization, for Yoruba people to be free from oppression, you are only committing suicide. The most dangerous tribe in southern Nigeria is Yoruba. We are talking about Yoruba people that are being killed by Fulani bandits and terrorists in Kwara State, in Enugu State, and other parts of Yoruba land. Yoruba people are being killed on a daily basis. If you go to Kwara State, so many Yoruba communities in Kwara State have been deserted. Yet, Yoruba people are happy. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that is not terrorizing them. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that have never killed a Yoruba person. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that have never waged war with Yoruba people. Yoruba people are happy that he was sent to prison. We Igbo should know that Yoruba people are the major enemies we Igbo have in Nigeria. We know say Fulani people are enemies, say that they kill people up and down. But this tribe Yoruba, they don't want to see Igbo happy in this country. Yoruba is the major enemy of Igbo. I don't understand how someone that is being killed by bandits and terrorists is happy that an innocent man is being sent to prison. It's so shameful that Southeast governors, none of them condemned the sentencing of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to prison. Igbo is a nation that has no leaders. Oh yeah, Igbo ain't a leader. It's so bad that Igbo nation is just empty without leaders. If to say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na Northerner, if we don't come out since the administration of Buhari, Northerners not go agree. But our Southeast leaders, see as all of them just dey. People without solution, people without vision. On our day, Yoruba people sentence Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to prison. Southeast governors cannot defend Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. All of them shut up their mouth because they won't go second term. It's so shameful. An army general from Nigeria was killed by ISWAP in northern Nigeria. And even at that, Nigeria army no go north, kill people for them. They don't scatter everywhere for north. They don't do anything for north. Instead, they are crying, saying that they don't have weapons to fight Boko Haram, to fight bandits, to fight herdsmen, to do this, to do that. Imagine say that brigadier general was killed in Igbo land. By now, more than 10 communities for don't go down for Southeast. Nigeria army for don't fool everywhere for Southeast. They kill people. And even if they come, no Southeast governor go open mouth talk. All of them go shut up their mouths. Southeast governors, shame on all of you. The governor of Anambra State Ebonyi, Enugu, Abia, Imo. I'm so ashamed of all of you. Whenever I remember on the shame, Southeast senators, representatives, I'm ashamed of all of you. Ndi when we have all we know how to do is to do business, make money, finish. Mouth we not get for Nigeria. See Yareba as they take us they play. As all of una build house for Yareba land, how una go fit open mouth talk? Una not go fit open mouth talk now. When una don't sell on sell finish. It's so shameful. Igbo land is empty. Person not the Igbo land. You never reach 2 days where they sentence Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to life in prison. They don't send Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go Sokoto. Carry Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they go very far place. Go keep. Northern Nigeria where they say bandits and terrorists, they break into prison. They free criminals where they for prison. Now they carry Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go. For this country called Nigeria, now only for Northern Nigeria we they hear of prison break. When we say terrorists go invade prison, break, enter prison, kill warders for there, carry people come out. Now that place they carry Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go keep. Normally this sentence where they sentence Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, now something where we say Igbo nation go come out in full protest. But if Igbo nation come out in full protest, now that time you go see Nigeria army from north go come Igbo land, start to they kill Igbo people, they shoot Igbo people. That was their plan, but they all failed. These are the reasons why the indigenous Igbos in the south don't want to join the southeast. The Igbos in the south, if na them still there for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu shoe, they will still send them go jail, just like the way they do Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Whether you are in the south, whether you are in the southeast, as far as a Igbo person, the way that they treat the indigenous Igbos in the southeast, now the same way they would treat the indigenous Igbos in the south. How many southeast governors don't condemn the sentencing of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to life in prison? It's so shameful. It's so painful. This thing they pain where a whole Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now they send go life in prison. So many other Nigerians are happy. Northerners where we say now them that they keep for their land, they are so happy. Though the Northerners that are happy are the Muslims. In the sense that those bandits and terrorists for the north, people where they kill, now the Christians where they there. How many Northern Muslims are being killed by bandits and terrorists there? So those people where they for north, they know what they do for that place. Now only Christians where they there, they kill, they slaughter. The Muslims in Nigeria, they have an agenda to Islamize the entire country. So even if bandits and terrorists they kill Hausa people where be Christian, it not concern them. Northern Nigeria are a people that put religion over humanity. Northern Nigeria are a people that put religion over tribe. You don't ever see Hausa Muslims for Northern Nigeria. They protest, say that they kill their Christian brothers where be Hausa people. Have you ever seen such a thing? No. But if to say that they are Muslim people that they kill, if you don't see them, they protest. Now those Hausa people, they happy say they send Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go life in prison. I'm seeing their comments. So many of them are happy, celebrating, jubilating. But the bandits and terrorists in the north, none of them are calling on those bandits to be arrested and sentenced to life in prison. None of them. Instead, their politicians are negotiating with bandits and terrorists. These people have the same agenda. They want to Islamize the entire country. They want to take over our land. So as they see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu where they speak up against their evil agenda, they lock them up to silence them. Now this marginalization, where they marginalize Igbo, now why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu start to agitate, say, make Igbo leave Nigeria? Since the history of Nigeria, Igbo have always been killed by these Northerners. Before the 1966 coup, Igbo are being killed in the north. All the time they are killing Igbo in the north. During the Biafra War, 3 million Igbos were killed between 1967 to 1970. After the Biafra War, Igbo are being marginalized till date. Igbo are being hated till date. Igbo are being oppressed till date. These are the reasons why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu started to agitate for Biafra. And now, you people sent Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to prison. Let me tell you people one thing. arresting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and sentencing him to life imprisonment will not stop the agitation for Biafra. If to say that they treating Igbo right, will Mazi Nnamdi Kanu start agitating for Biafra? No. As he agitate for Biafra, instead of una to use una sense, change una ways, stop the marginalization, make everybody dey equal for the country, una say no. Instead, una come dey marginalize the Igbo the more, they oppress Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wey never kill anybody before. You people are now trying to destroy Igbo nation. You people have shown the world that you hate Igbo nation. And you think say the upcoming generation, the children wey dey born now, not dey see am, they see am. We are passing all those messages to our children. The elders in Igbo land, they are telling their children what Igbo are passing through in this country. During the Biafra war, they never born Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But today, now him the champion for the actualization of Biafra. So what did they make when they feel say another Igbo son not go come out? They agitate for that Biafra. Una don't say una get sense, una don't get sense. If those as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they agitate for this Biafra, say una bring una self down, start to dey treat Igbo right. Say anyone where they attack Igbo, una dey arrest those people, una make sure say there's justice in the country. Other leaders go there, Igbo go stop to dey agitate for Biafra, because they not go see reasons to dey continue the agitation. But instead, you people kept marginalizing Igbo, and you think the country will move forward. See, bandits and terrorists don't destroy the entire country called Nigeria. Now, because of all these killings, banditry, make Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come out to agitate for Biafra, making people come out for this country where we say human being no matter. But what you wanna do? Wanna lock them up for prison. Why the real bandits and terrorists from the north are on TikTok posting their videos everywhere? Nigeria government not see all those people to go arrest. What we Igbo need in this country is unity. Igbo unity. Only Igbo unity will save Igbo in this country called Nigeria. May Nigeria happen to each and everyone that is happy that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was sent to life imprisonment. Everyone that is happy that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was sent to life imprisonment. May the evil that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is fighting against destroy that person and his family. May those people fall victim to what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is fighting against. Ishiagwale.